Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and this is part 2 of the top Android icon packs for March 2018. If you haven't seen part 1, it's down in the description below, but let's take a look. So first up guys, we have the Flicks icon pack. Now this is quite a new icon pack with only around 360 icons, 11 wallpapers, and you've also got 7 Zupa widgets included as well. Now it really closely mimics what you're going to find on the Pixel 2 and Pixel 2 XL, where every single icon has a really nice round bold design to it that in my opinion is really nice on Android. Now I do like the fact that some icons in different icon packs have different shapes and styles to them, but I also like to have one uniform shape and style to all of my icons, and this icon pack really does the job. The icons are really high in terms of detail and also colour as well, and they're going to look great on any setup, especially if you've got an AMOLED screen. Next up we have the Grabby icon pack. Now this one's got a ton of icons with 2,745 icons currently, and you've also got 77 cloud wallpapers. However, I'm going to be honest guys, I'm not necessarily a huge fan of this icon pack. Now there are some people and some setups that this is definitely going to suit, and from the previews that they had on the Play Store, I was expecting more of an iOS 11 look and feel to the icons themselves, but they're just a little bit garish. I'm not a fan of some of the colours. Yes, they're all uniform in terms of shape, but ones that aren't necessarily supported don't look all that great with this icon pack. But if you want to experiment, mix it up a little bit, or use specific icons from this pack, you will definitely find some nice ones in there somewhere, but it's not necessarily my favourite. Speaking of favourite, my favourite one in this episode is going to be the minimal icon pack. You've got 2,538 custom icons and 108 cloud wallpapers, so as you can see there, you've got a ton of wallpapers, but in regards to the icons, they're extremely high quality. Now for me, material design icons are some of the best available on Android, and these are no exception. As you can see here, you've got some really nice bold colours. It really does stick to that material design with some slight shadows, but not really too much. You've got a really flat profile to the majority of the icons. One thing that I also like is with some icon packs, it makes it a little bit hard to specifically find the icon or the application that you're looking for, whereas because these ones resemble exactly what you're going to find on the Play Store, I found it really easy to adjust and get used to it, as opposed to having one where everything is rounded or a completely different colour. If you've got an icon pack like this that sticks very closely to the stock icons, in my opinion that's a little bit better than having some random colour, some random shape, and not really knowing where your icons are. But overall, if you're looking for a very bold material design icon pack, this is definitely one of the best out there and highly recommended. And then lastly, we have the Oreo Waves icon pack. You've got just over 1,100 custom icons, and there aren't any cloud wallpapers at all with this icon pack. Now again, for me, icon packs are all about the icons, but it would be nice to have a little bit extra thrown in there as well. Now with this icon pack, I do like the icons, but again, some of them do have slightly strange colours to what you're normally going to find on your Android device. So for instance, if you're looking over your Google applications and you're looking at the Google app specifically, you can see there that some of the icons and some of the colours look a little bit strange, again maybe making it a little bit hard to find exactly what you're going to be looking for. I do like the fact that everything's uniform in regards to being circular, but I would have liked it better if they were to stick to the original colour palette and just mix it up ever so slightly to maybe resemble the Pixel 2 for example, but I do like the layered effect that the Oreo Wave icons have. And that's going to do it guys for this video of the top Android icon packs of March 2018 part 2. As I mentioned, we've got one more part to go this month, and if you missed episode 1, that's going to be linked in the description down below, along with my playlist for anything to do with Android customization and more specifically icon packs. And moving forward into April and the following months, if you guys have got any icon packs or anything to do with Android customization you want me to take a look at here on the channel, let me know in the comments section down below or on Twitter at Copper vs Glass. Also down by the comments you will find that subscribe button, so if you're not already subscribed, now is a great time to do so, and once you've hit that button, don't forget to turn on notifications to be notified anytime that I post a new video here on the channel. As always, if you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass, thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.